Dear. See, I'm taking a movie of him right now. I've taken a bunch of them. Okay, what's going on here? It looks like Gramps, Pigman, fixing your... Oh, keeps dropping it. What? Get you. He just wants me to play pick that one. I can tell. Throw it on the ground. I can pick it up. Yeah. The Children's Orchard. That's the name of the place. What? Did you have fun today? Yes, you did. Yeah, lots of fun.